Hello, it's Debbie from Adventure Creek Ranch, and today we are at Yellowstone Treehouse. We are so blessed. We have been given this beautiful purple slide. There is a man that owned a daycare and he sold, and he took the slide with him, thinking he would use it. And he never did. And when he found out what we were doing, he visited our tree houses and thought, you know what, they could use this. So he gave it to us. So we are installing it today. We have another tree house called Bigfoot's Treehouse, and that has a slide as well. And that is very popular with parents of young children. And so our guys who work for Chad at LoneStarTinyHomes.com, they are between houses right now. So we have a little break, and they decided to help us put this beautiful slide up. All ages of kids, including adults, are welcome to make their way down the slide. Here is the view from the top of the balcony overlooking a seating area. This is under the tree house. There's a saddle swing right there on the right. Here's the finished slide, another swing, lots of areas to relax with your family. And we hope one day you will also go down the slide.